This heirloom variety has medium-large fruit that stays evergreen. Gleckler seedsmen of Metamora, Ohio, introduced this variety around 1950. In the 1958 catalog, the Emerald Evergreen is described as a strange tomato that refuses to change color from its green stage. And it notes that the fruit is very fine for slicing and frying, and especially for making delicious conserves. The large plants set heavy yields of these beauties, which have a lovely lime green color. The flavor is rich and superbly sweet. It's a popular market variety now being sold in many upscale stores, and we think it's one of the best.